2, 1. A man bought a house in Lugbe for 3.6 million naira. He repaired the house for 150,000 naira. If he sold the house for 4,950,000, find the percentage profit that he makes. Very interesting. Now, to calculate the percentage profit, the first thing we need to do is to calculate the profits. Profit, as we all know, is selling price minus cost price. Now, in this question, we are given the cost of acquiring the house, but we are also given the cost of repairing the house. So we have two costs that we have to sum together to find the absolute total cost of acquiring the house. We will then subtract this from the sales price of 4.95 million, and then this will take us to the profits, and then we can calculate the percentage profit. Okay, so let's identify what we know in a very methodical way, again, as I have always prescribed, especially when it comes to profit and loss calculations. Alright, so we have our Naira signs here. So let's say selling price of the house. Selling price of the house is 4,950,000. Okay, we are told the purchase cost is 3,600,000. We are told the cost of repairs is 150,000. So it means that the total cost of house, which is the sum of these two things, 3,750,000, it means that the profits that he has made is exactly 1,200,000 naira. The percentage profits, which is always equal to the profits divided by the cost price times 100%. So let's do that. Profit is 1,200,000. Cost price, which is the total cost, 3,750,000 times 100%. Here's what we do. If you take these zeros away, 3 zeros gone. Okay. If you take away these 2 zeros, you are left with 120 divided by 375. If we say let 5 go in here, 5 is going to go in here. 224. 5 is going to go in here. This is 7. That's 35. Remaining, that's 75. What else can go in? I think 3 can go in. So if 3 goes in here, this is going to be 8. If 3 goes in here, it's going to be 25. So it's 8 over 25 times 100, which should give you 32% profits. Okay, so here's what we have. We have the selling price, and I want us to go through this very, very quickly. We've got the selling price of 4.95 million. We were given this. We were told the cost of purchase was 3.6 million. We were told that he made some repairs of 150,000 of this nice house he has bought in Lugbe in Abuja, and then the total cost of the house is therefore 3.75 million. If you try to calculate the profit, you're going to get 1.2 million, which is the difference between the selling price and the total cost. And then given this profit of 1.2 million, we can apply the simple formula of profit divided by cost price Now remember, the cost price you are going to use is not 3.6 million, rather it is 3.75 million, and times 100, we do all the calculations and we arrive at 32% profit. Remember, the profit was calculated not just on the cost of buying the house of 3.6 million, but on the total cost, buying the house as well as repairing the house. We got the profit 1.2 million, we applied the formula and we arrived at 32%. In 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.